Hello everyone, this is Raghu Konamola. We thought of creating something new and we are back with a review of a book called Corporate Chanakya written by Radha Krishna Pillai. For me it took almost 2 to 3 weeks, but I'll ensure I'll give all the crux that is required in a minute or two. And dear viewers, I've got a task at the end of the video, so please stay tuned. And I really recommend this book for everyone, literally everyone, and especially to entrepreneurs, because starting business is not that easy. Especially starting business from zero is a difficult task. And if somebody is planning to start reading, this book is the ultimate choice, because this book goes really smoother and it has got 300 pages, and the words, vocabulary, everything is really easy. And this book has got one-liners as well. Let's say if I can tell you one: if you rest, you will rust. This quotation really motivates everyone to do more and more in your life. This book especially focuses on two ultimate goals of our life. The first one is to correct the mistakes which are done by our ancestors, and the second one is to create a better future. And as far as I know, I'm sure this book will help you create a better future. And in page number 53, writer really won my heart, because writer spoke about women empowerment and women production in the workplace. And we refer our country as Mother India, but we don't let our mother have daughters. And that too, keeping the recent rape incidents, murders and all, this book really struck me at my heart. And on a whole, this book really helps shape individuals become value creators, better leaders. If you are planning to be in a management side, this book is the ultimate choice. That's about it. Thank you so much for listening to me. Do subscribe and don't forget to leave a comment below. You can mention your favorite book title in the comment and give a single line reason why you really loved it most. And I'm gonna pick one of the book from the comment box, and I'm gonna do that review as well. And while doing that review, I'm gonna mention your name. That's about it. Thank you so much for listening. Stay connected. Do subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like button.